Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Basically, I posted a few stuff on my Instagram where I was playing games from my Android tablet, things like Pokemon on Game Boy Advance and PlayStation game like Crash Bandicoot. And I had a lot of people asking me how I done that, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to do this. So let's start it. So to get set up, obviously you need an Android device. I'm using my tablet for this one. Specifically, I'm using a Amazon tablet. You can't do this off the bat. You need to Play Store on it, so you need to get that installed on Amazon tablets. I've got a video showing you how to do that, so have a look at that video first. I might put that description in the link. But if you've got a normal Amazon tablet, then you can go ahead and straight away start it off. So what you need to do first is download something called ClassicBoy. So you can download that from the Play Store. So these are the games that you can play. So you've got N64, PlayStation 1, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy, NES, SEGA, Neo Geo. So I'll show you what the app looks like in the Play Store. So this is the app that you guys need to download. It's called ClassicBoy emulator. So I've already got it installed. So all you do is get that installed, and then I'll show you the next step. Right, the next thing you need to do is download the actual game. So basically I'm going to go for Pokemon Red, and you need to also insert ROM as well. ROM is the file type. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and install Pokemon Red. So you can just type it in and you'll get a website. So this is the website I'm using. It's called Download ROMs. So you go ahead and save the game. So I'm let it install onto my device. And it's really pretty straightforward. This is what you do, and you can see it's installed. And what you do, you don't need to do anything. You just go close that, and then you go back into your emulator that you downloaded, which was ClassicBoy, and then you choose the type of console that you've the game that you downloaded. So this is a Game Boy, I think. Then what you do is select the game, and then you find the actual file where the file location was saved. So my one would be I think I have to go up a little bit, go up, go to downloads, because I think that's where it was. And then it will be somewhere here. So depending on where your file gets saved is the location where it will be stored. So mine is here, so you can see Pokemon Red version. Select that, and then what you do is new game, and it's launching it. And as you can see, it's all working fine, and as simple as it is, there's nothing else that you need to do. And you can go ahead and play it. So let's put this volume up. Obviously, the bigger, the more advanced game it is, the more longer download time would take, and the bigger the file would be. So just bear that in mind. So there you go. That's it really. So what I'll do is go back. You can also play PlayStation games. So you already seen at the start where I was playing Crash Bandicoot. So 3D game, you can see it's able to handle it. There's no lags. Graphics is a little bit not as great, but it's because of the Android device itself. It's not, the high resolution is not as high. So it's straightforward, and the emulator that I'm using is called EPSXE. You can find that also on the Play Store. And because it didn't have PlayStation on this one, it does actually. So I can play it from here as well. There will be times where there's some games that you need to unzip if it doesn't work. So same as when you're on your PC and you've downloaded a zip folder and you want to extract all the files in that folder, you need to use an extract application. So I'm using RAR. That extracts the file, and then you can go ahead and play the game. Just one extra step. It's not too difficult. So guys, if you have any questions, let me note them down below. Remember to like and subscribe. I've got more videos coming up. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.